Bayambang, Province of Pangasinan. The municipality has a land area of 143.94 square kilometers or 55.58 square miles, which constitutes 2.64% of Pangasinan's total area. Its population, as determined by the 2020 census, was 129,011. This represented 4.08% of the total population of Pangasinan Province, or 2.43% of the overall population of the Ilocos region. Based on these figures, the population density is computed at 896 inhabitants per square kilometer or 2,321 inhabitants per square mile.
This is a song from Kenny Rogers and Dolly Parton.